A very good afternoon. Let's now begin Why Buy My Book, where brand new authors pitch their debut books to you. We hope that all our readers enjoy these fresh ideas and let them convince you to buy their books. Let's listen to them now. Thank you.
What it is like being born as a girl child in the 50s and 60s of rural India. Find out in my book, Anandi. Anandi is a heartwarming story of an extraordinary girl who thought and lived ahead of her time. She had the awareness to question the evils of the society. She displayed courage to stand against the backwardness of people's mentality. She knew the importance of education and she valued being independent and self reliant. Despite playing all the roles in her life at various stages, she never stopped being a woman and cherishing that fact. Anandi is not only a story, but it is an experience to connect today's young generation to the reality of their desired society and to several aspects like the rural environment several decades ago. Generations trying to find their existence in the cities, people's mentality, women's place in society, and how things have changed in the societal structure and environment for women, especially, and have things changed at all. I would like to read an excerpt from the book. एक लड़की जिसका विवाह हो रहा हो और जो संपूर्ण गांव में अवलोकन का केंद्र बनी हो, उसकी लज्जा और आत्मसम्मान से बढ़कर क्या शुद्ध और अशुद्ध है, यह बात आनंदी की समझ से बाहर थी। मानवीय संवेदना का प्रतीक ग्रामीण परिवेश जहां भारतवर्ष बसता है और वह देश जिसे स्वतंत्र हुए 2 दशक से ऊपर बीत चुके थे, परंतु संरचनात्मक एवं सांस्कृतिक परिवर्तन अभी भी धीमी गति से सिसकता हुआ चल रहा था। ऐसे में वर्ष 1968 में एक साधारण से गांव में अपने विवाह समारोह की चमक के बीच आनंदी हतप्रभ थी। आनंदी अपने समय से हटकर और वक्त से आगे सोचने की समझ रखती थी और विवाह को लेकर ग्रामीण परिवेश की कुंठित मानसिकता उसके पल्ले नहीं पड़ रही थी। The book is an illustrative symbol of women empowerment, as quoted by one of the prominent media houses of the country. The book is available on Amazon worldwide. It is available in both paperback and ebook. Grab a copy today, read the book, and share your experience. Thank you so much.